algebraic equations using combining like terms and the distributive property. And this is a digital lesson, and this one is Easter themed. So the lesson starts with explaining to students that algebraic equations with distributive property and combining like terms are not difficult to solve. They're going to first simplify by combining like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign. And they're also going to distribute any terms that are outside the parentheses. So we're going to start with combining like terms. So we've got equations where like terms are on the same side of the equal sign, so they can combine them. Once they do that, then they just have a one-step equation to solve. This one, combining like terms, again on the same side of the equal sign, and then they have a one-step equation to solve. So students are going to start on slide 4. They're given a problem here. They have to type in the text box combining 15r and negative 6r. And then they're going to go ahead and solve the equation. Same thing here. And then they've got a couple more with combining like terms. And then it gets a little bit more difficult on slide 6. You've got combining like terms on both sides of the equal sign, but the like terms are on the same side. And then we're going to go into distributive property. So here we're going to distribute the 2, and then we've got a two-step equation to solve. So students are going to do that on the next few slides. And then they've got both combining like terms and distributive property in the same equation. So they want to distribute first. So they want to distribute this -5 first and then combine like terms. Same thing here. Now on all of these slides, once they get their answer and they find out what the variable equals, erase that, they're going to match the variable to its answer on the final slide. So they're going to find these answers on the previous slides. They're going to type in the variable that it equals. And if they've done these correctly, they will solve the Easter riddle. So this is the Easter version of algebraic equations, combining like terms, and the distributive property.